Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, resilience enabled HAMA to continue to provide the services that it does to our Haitian community. For the health tour, we were able to move to a digital platform to continue to provide health-specific content that's relevant for our community. As we continue to grow and look forward to our next year and HAMA's 5th year, we need your support. We're looking to enhance our scholarship program. We're looking to launch a mentorship program. And with that, our goal is to raise $15,000 this year to continue and provide new services, but continue to grow the organization. So with that, we are kicking off a campaign, and we would love your support. Any dollar counts. And over the next 8 weeks, we will be sharing content with you to demonstrate the importance of HAMA and where your dollars will contribute to. We look forward for your support in the future. Thank you.